Alright guys, so getting started, I'm just going ahead and taking off my earrings, of course, because it's really hard to wash your face with earrings, and I'm taking off these beautiful lashes. These are my favorite Demi Wispies from Ardell. So I'm just going ahead and taking those off. Now I'm going in with the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover, like cleansing balm type of a thing. So I just go ahead and dot that on my cheeks, on my chin, and on my forehead. And then I just start massaging this in. This is amazing at taking off makeup, guys. It takes off everything. It takes off waterproof mascara, eyeliner, lipstick, lip gloss, everything. My eyebrows, it's so good. So to use this product, you just massage it into your face, and as you guys can see, it just removes the makeup instantly. It's amazing. So I just rub that in, making sure to get all around my hairline, because makeup can get stuck there. And my I try to just gently rub at my eyes for to get the mascara off and everything. Nothing too harsh or anything. I'm not rubbing my eye. I'm more so rubbing my lashes. So once I do that, I go ahead and rinse that off. And once I rinse it off, I go in with this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Foaming Cleanser. I really like this because it's nice and gentle. This is like my pre-cleanse before I go in and exfoliate and everything. I find that this just removes anything that the cleansing balm didn't get. The Take the Day Off balm didn't get. It's just really nice. It doesn't leave my skin super dry or anything. But once that is done, I go ahead and dry off my face, and I go in with this little face scrubber thing. I'll link it down below. I got it off Amazon, and I go in with the Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. This gel is so amazing for combination skin, which I do have. I have a really oily T-zone, but all of the rest of my face is pretty normal. So I just go in with this little face scrubber, and I just massage it into my face. I really like these more so over brushes, because I feel like brushes can hold so much bacteria in them, and you have to change them constantly. This one, I can just rinse it with hot water, and I know I'm good to go, because it's all just one thing. It's not like there's bristles on it like a brush. So I just think this is more hygienic in my opinion, but you guys use whatever you like. So I'm just going around my face. It doesn't beep or anything, but it does vibrate. So I turn it on and it vibrates, and I just massage that all over my face. I feel like this really exfoliates and gets all of the foundation, concealer, everything that's on my skin off of my face. So I go ahead and rinse that off, and then if I have any lash glue stuck in my lashes, I just like to take a towel and kind of brush my lashes down. I feel like this really gets rid of any lash glue that's stuck at the base of my lashes and everything like that. It's just a really nice trick that I found. I also sometimes go in with a little bit of olive oil on a Q-tip to remove any more lash glue that I have on my eyelashes, but this time I didn't have that much, so I just like to gently brush down. Once I'm done with that, I go in with this Witch Hazel on a cotton pad, and this is my toner, so I just take that all over my face, and I try to go in upward motions just so that it can get into my skin, because your pores do go down. So any products that you want to go into your skin, make sure that you brush up so that all of the product is soaked into your pores and everything. So I'm just going ahead and doing that, and you guys can see on the cotton pad, it's still pretty dirty. So even though I washed my face 2 times, it's still dirty. So this removes everything. And then I go in with my acne treatment. This is just some benzoyl peroxide, and I just place that on any breakouts that I feel coming on, or any breakouts that I do have. It was almost that time of the month when I was filming this. Was that time of the month while I was filming this, but I just rub that on my chin and everything, and then I go in with this Trader Joe's Nourishing Oil-Free Moisturizer. I really do like this. It's really lightweight under my makeup, and it doesn't just sit on top of my skin. I really feel like it sinks in and moisturizes my face, which I really enjoy. So once again, I just dot this on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my chin, and just rub that into my skin. It just feels really nice. I use this morning and night. If you guys have any night creams that you guys really like, leave a comment down below letting me know some of your favorites, because I'm looking for something a little bit more heavy duty for nighttime, because my skin gets pretty dry sometimes. So if you guys have any recommendations, definitely let me know. And now I'm going in with this e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I really like this eye cream, guys, not gonna lie. I just take this on my ring finger just because that finger has the lightest touch, and you really want to be very, very gentle with your under eyes because you don't want them to wrinkle or crease or anything. So being really gentle, just patting that in. And I also put this on top of my eyes because I get really dry eyelids, which is something that's super funny. But I just make sure to pat this in and put it under my eyes, and also blended it on top of my eyes as well. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm just going to give you a quick little shot of my skin so you guys can see how we're doing. You know, nothing's perfect as always, but I'm really happy with how my skin is right now. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon.